Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your custom domain to your ConvertKit landing page quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, log in to your ConvertKit account. From your dashboard, click on the Grow tab and then select Landing Pages and Forms. Next, choose the landing page you want to connect your domain to. Click on Settings at the top right corner of the screen. In the Settings menu, look for the Domain Name section. Here, you'll see two options: use ConvertKit's default domain or connect your own custom domain. Select Connect Your Own Domain. Now, enter your domain name in the box provided, for example, www.yourwebsite.com. After that, ConvertKit will show you the DNS records you need to add to your domain provider, such as GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Google Domains. Go to your domain provider's website and open the DNS settings for your domain. Add the CNAME record provided by ConvertKit. Usually, the host will be something like www, and the value will point to your username.ck.page. Once the record is added, return to ConvertKit and click Verify Domain. It might take a few minutes for the changes to update, depending on your domain provider. After verification, your landing page will be live on your custom domain, making it look more professional and trustworthy. And that's it! You've successfully connected your custom domain to your ConvertKit landing page. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial made the process simple and clear for you.